Hi, WRIT300 folks. It's Mike the librarian here again. Just wanted to walk you through real quick what I'm going to be asking you to do this week and what that's going to look like for you. So we've got two kind of big chunks of library content here and a couple of ways that you are going to be asked to interact with them. So I'm just going to sort of walk through that real quick, and I'm going to be scrolling down through the things that you can see if you scroll down yourself. So the first section is one on evaluating different kinds of information resources. And so we're going to ask you to do something called lateral reading there. And you'll look at that in a number of different contexts. And you'll also evaluate the authority of different sorts of sources and think about what your information needs are. So these are different lenses through which you could try and evaluate a source of information. At the end of that, we have a little exercise that we want you to do in a Google form. So fill that out real quick, and then I'll make another video that sort of responds to that. I also have an example for you. That's the first thing. Second, there's a section on some advanced search techniques, talking about keyword searching, which some people will be familiar with, thinking about how you would search for something. And I also give some tutorials that you could look at and talk about some individual databases that might be relevant to different programs people are in. So once you've done both of those things, you've done the evaluating information sources and filled out the Google form, you've looked through the advanced search techniques, then we have a discussion forum for you. And in here, there will be, we're just going to kind of try and work together to sort of find sources, practicing those search techniques and things we talked about to sort of do a sample ethnography about not your discourse community, but mine, academic librarians. So in a little while, you can look in there. There'll be another video where I give you some background about academic librarians, and then there's some instructions for you to follow about, well, how are we going to do this together and search for that information? So I'll be responding in that discussion forum as well. So hopefully you'll learn some stuff about research this week and how you can apply that to the specific project that you have to work on. And I'll see you out there.